All right, today we are at a brand new construction in Dallas on Lennox Avenue, and it is just dropped to slightly under $13 million. It has 6 bedrooms, a guest house, a pool, everything. It is stunningly gorgeous, and I cannot wait to show you what $13 million buys you in Dallas. Okay, this home we are about to tour is just under $13 million. It is in the Preston Hollow neighborhood of Dallas. Preston Hollow is a prestigious, affluent neighborhood known for large estates, tree-lined streets, high-profile residents. This is a new construction home by Atrium Fine Homes. It's contemporary, obviously, and they are calling it Royalwood Estate. Look how gorgeous this is, y'all. I would say the most standout feature of this room is that disappearing sliding glass pocket door right out to the pool. It's just so beautiful. The home has almost 12,000 square feet, so we have a lot to explore, but it so seamlessly goes from inside to outside that it feels even bigger than that. I love this beautiful outdoor patio area, and look how shaded it is, which is really nice in the summer here. And then look at that staircase back there. It's a work of art in itself. I love it. Okay, there's so much to explore in this house, but we're gonna go over here to the kitchen area first. You'll notice the beautiful floors are Overture Cadenza Brazilian oak flooring. It's very open for the dining and kitchen area. There is a separate dining room too. I don't know if you noticed that off of the living area. In this first kitchen, look at this beautiful stone. It's a crystal stone from Brazil. Miele appliances, which are German appliances. Look at this backlit stone. It's so pretty. This is a Wolf convection cooktop. But then we go back into the prep kitchen and you've got a separate area, more appliances, a Wolf gas range, tons of storage, which is great because it kind of keeps your main kitchen area a little bit cleaner, and you can have parties and staff back here. Then over here is a beautiful wine storage. So many sitting areas here. There are several fireplaces throughout the home that you'll notice. But this home is perfect for entertaining. Of course, you can make these spaces anything you want, but now we'll go outside. Love this patio with the wood ceilings. We've got an outdoor kitchen. They call it a summer kitchen. I would call it a spring and fall kitchen because in Texas, you don't want to be outside in the summer, really. But then we've got this beautiful flex space, cabana sort of situation here. You could make this a 6th bedroom, or you could make it just kind of a party house. You could make it a fitness area, which I think would be very nice to have this kind of be a fitness gym. But of course, with a closet and a full bathroom, kitchenette, you can kind of make it a guest house as well. I don't know if you can tell how quiet it is here, but I love that it's so close and easy access to the highways, but it's so quiet. All right, we'll go back through. Another look at this gorgeous kitchen. Down here we have our first bedroom that we'll see. This is a guest bedroom suite. Has its own little patio. I love all the natural light, but still tons of privacy. Then of course we have a downstairs laundry room, mud room sort of area off of the main garage. There are 3 garages here. Or 3 garage spots, sorry. elevator, and a half bath down. Then we come to this huge wet bar area. Of course, I mean, this home is really designed for entertaining, so I mean, it is for the entertainer. Okay, dining room. We're back over here to this main living area, and we're gonna walk across and go to the other wing, which is really where the primary suite is. Kind of has its own wing. This is a second mudroom area with a 2-car garage right off that outside door. So now we're in the wing for the primary. And y'all, this closet is my favorite part. Also, there's a little outdoor shower on that outside of that door to the right. I don't know if you can see it on the outside. I didn't go out there. But there is an outdoor shower. There's also 2 different toilets. There is a laundry room in here and a safe, which I did not show for privacy reasons. This closet, y'all, I am obsessed. Literally obsessed. This is the most beautiful closet I have ever seen. This beautiful bath is Chaldea marble. All right here, we've got this huge primary bedroom. I want to point out that fireplace. It is white Patagonia stone from Argentina. And speaking of stone, we have throughout the house exotic stonework imported from Italy, Brazil, Argentina, Portugal, Spain, and Israel. So there's really no stone in here that's kind of your basic stone. Off over here, another really private area, but you've got another half bath down over here. Just such a contemporary design. It's really, really pretty. Beautiful office. It does have an upstairs sort of balcony area. I did not go up there, sorry. And then we come back across the living room up the stairs to see the upstairs. It's just so beautiful. I mean, it feels musical to me. I love the movement of this staircase. Okay, upstairs we have another game room, living space, whatever you want to use it for. This could also be a really good area for a fitness room. Off of this main area upstairs, we have 2 separate bedrooms, each of course with their own bathroom. Balcony here. And a full bath. Interesting geometric tile on the back. And then a second bedroom upstairs. This one does not have a balcony, but it has my favorite bathroom. I love this blue tile. You know, I put that on Instagram. Okay, off of this main room, we also have a second living space off of the upstairs and this third bedroom upstairs with its own balcony and of course its own bathroom. All right, so we're talking 5 bedrooms inside the home, 5 full baths inside the home, 2 half baths. Plus you've got that cabana area, this full living space, which opens up to a turfed area. Y'all, this is fiberglass floor that I would not walk over, but obviously it is made to walk on. I was a little scared, so I walked around. But it really is a fun, entertaining area. I can imagine cocktails at sunset up here. I should mention there is an unfinished bath back here. And I love views. As we walk back through the home, let's go through a couple of facts. First of all, I want to say that we cannot cover everything in this gorgeous home in a 15-minute tour. So if it's something that you're really interested in, I would love to talk to you about it. We can do a private tour. I can go back and do some more videos, you know, whatever works for you. This is just under 13 million. 12,000 square feet, almost an acre. The taxes here are 2.235%. The address of this home is 10335 Lennox Lane in Dallas, Texas. The zip code there is 75229. It's the Preston Hollow neighborhood. And that stone on the outside actually was specially cut from Portugal. Then it's got 2 gates either side of this driveway. Whether you are looking for luxury in Dallas or a ranch in Weatherford, Texas, I'm Debbie Bird, and I would love to help you on that journey. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.